Hi, I'm Dani, and today I'm going to show you how to stream real-time data into Databricks using Estuary flow. Let's go. First of all, in Databricks, make sure that you have a SQL warehouse that you can use to follow along with this tutorial and take note of its connection details. In order to connect to Databricks, you will need a personal access token as well, so go ahead and create that too. For this tutorial, I have already loaded some sample datasets into Estuary flow that we can use to materialize into Databricks. I will be working with a users and a transactions collection, both coming from the same Postgres database. Because I want to materialize both of these collections, I can just go ahead and press the materialize button at the source capture. Choosing Databricks brings me to the configuration page where I will be able to add the endpoint parameters that I copied from Databricks in the previous step. This is where I will also have to add the personal access token. After I make sure that both collections are included in the configuration, I can just go ahead and press Next in order to provision the materialization connector. After just a few seconds, the connector will start replicating data into Databricks. I will check the logs very quickly to verify if there are any errors, but on the overview page, I can already see that data is indeed being replicated into Databricks successfully. So let's head over to Databricks to quickly verify this. As you can see, I have both the transactions and the users table available with the initial dataset coming from Estuary flow. And that's it. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out on our community Slack channel or check out our documentation.